At first light, when the sky is still washed in pale blues and soft gold, the hen stirs. Long before the village awakens, before the calls to prayer echo or the hum of traffic begins, she steps cautiously from her roost. The ground beneath her feet is cool and familiar. Every pebble, every blade of grass, tells a story she understands instinctively. Though often overlooked as ordinary, the hen is a creature shaped by millions of years of evolution, survival, and adaptation. Descended from the red jungle fowl of Southeast Asia, the modern hen carries ancient instincts in her compact body. Her ancestors once moved silently through dense forests, alert to danger from above and below. Even now, in farmyards and backyards across the world, those instincts remain. Her eyes scan constantly, one eye at a time, detecting movement with remarkable precision. A shadow passing overhead can send her sprinting for cover, wings flapping in a burst of sound and feathers. The hen's body is a marvel of efficiency. Covered in feathers that regulate temperature and protect her from the elements, she can withstand both cold mornings and hot afternoons. Her lightweight bones allow quick movement, while her strong legs are built for scratching and digging. With swift, practiced motions, she scrapes the earth, uncovering seeds, insects, and worms hidden just beneath the surface. This behavior is not random, it is a deeply ingrained survival skill that connects her to generations past. As the sun rises higher, the hen joins the rest of her flock. Chickens are social animals, living within a structured hierarchy often referred to as the pecking order. Each hen knows her place. Subtle gestures, posture, eye contact, the angle of the head, determine status and access to food. Conflict is usually brief and rarely violent, resolved through quick pecks or displays of dominance. This social structure maintains balance and reduces chaos within the group. Communication among hens is far more complex than most people realize. She produces a wide range of vocalizations, each with a specific meaning. Soft clucks signal contentment or call chicks close. Sharp, urgent cries warn of predators. Even the famous egg-laying call, loud and triumphant, serves a purpose, alerting the flock and reinforcing social bonds. Studies have shown that hens can recognize individual members of their group and remember them over time, a sign of intelligence often underestimated. The hen's role as a mother reveals another layer of her remarkable nature. When she becomes broody, driven by hormonal changes and instinct, her behavior shifts dramatically. She settles into the nest, determined and patient, willing to forego food and water for long periods to protect her eggs. For 21 days, she turns them carefully, ensuring even warmth. During this time, she is fiercely protective, puffing up her feathers and issuing warning sounds to anything that comes too close. When the chicks finally hatch, the transformation is immediate. The hen becomes vigilant and gentle all at once. She teaches her young how to peck for food, how to recognize danger, and where to find warmth beneath her wings. Her soft clucks guide them, and her body becomes their shelter. This bond, though temporary, is intense. Within weeks, the chicks grow independent, yet the lessons learned remain with them for life. Throughout history, hens have shared a close relationship with humans. Archaeological evidence suggests chickens were domesticated over 8,000 years ago, first valued not for meat or eggs, but for their role in rituals and as symbols of fertility and time. As agriculture spread, so did the hen, adapting to new climates and cultures. Today, she is found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in environments ranging from rural farms to urban backyards. Despite her global presence, the hen still faces constant challenges. Predators such as foxes, hawks, snakes, and even domestic animals pose daily threats. To survive, she relies on awareness, speed, and the safety of numbers. Her ability to detect danger quickly often means the difference between life and death. Even in protected environments, her instincts never fade, vigilance is woven into her existence. The egg, perhaps the hen's most famous contribution, is a biological masterpiece. Formed over approximately 24 hours, it contains everything needed to support new life. The shell, strong yet porous, protects the developing embryo while allowing oxygen to pass through. Inside, the yolk provides nourishment, while the albumin cushions and insulates. For humans, eggs have become a vital source of nutrition, but for the hen, they represent continuity, the passing of life from one generation to the next. As afternoon settles in, the hen seeks shade, conserving energy during the warmest hours. Dust bathing becomes a priority. She lowers herself into loose soil, tossing dirt over her feathers with deliberate movements. This behavior helps control parasites and keeps her plumage healthy. To an observer, it may look like play, but it is essential maintenance, another example of how instinct guides every aspect of her life. Toward evening, the flock regroups. The hen becomes more alert again as nocturnal predators begin to stir. She moves closer to familiar companions, reinforcing social bonds through proximity and quiet sounds. When the sun dips below the horizon, she returns to her roost, instinctively choosing higher ground for safety. One by one, the hens settle, feathers fluffed, heads tucked under wings. In the quiet of night, the hen rests, yet her senses remain partially awake. Evolution has taught her that danger can come at any time. Even in sleep, she is ready to react. This balance between rest and readiness has allowed her species to survive for thousands of years, adapting alongside humans while retaining her wild roots. Though often dismissed as simple or unimportant, the hen is anything but. She is a survivor, a communicator, a mother, and a vital link in the ecological and agricultural systems that sustain human life. Her story is not one of grandeur or dominance, but of resilience and quiet significance. In her daily routines, scratching the earth, guarding her young, greeting the dawn, she reflects the enduring power of nature's design. In observing the hen closely, one begins to see more than a farm animal. One sees a living connection to the past, a creature shaped by time, instinct, and coexistence. Her presence reminds us that even the most familiar animals carry extraordinary stories, waiting patiently to be noticed.